Christmas, everybody. Here, it's a little ride on Christmas Day. My mission is to get a drone shot today. Oh, didn't see that jump. Sorry, kids. This seems like a great place to get a shot. Yeah, I can't think of a better spot than right here. Oh, that's perfect. Awesome. Ready for takeoff? Hit record button. There we go. How accurate are you? Gonna be in the circle? I will. I want to land where there's no snow. Come on. Well, not bad. Got some okay footage. Maybe I'll do one of those lame intros where I'm like, join our journey as we embark. 1 kilometer ride from my house. And we hit some jumps. Nice.